Okay, so here we have the handlebar tape from SRAM. So let's like to start here from the bottom. Goes from the bottom all the way here to the top. Then you put the tape, and I like to leave just a little bit out of the out of the tube. So always start like in the middle here. So then when you put the little tab, it pushes in the tape. Okay, so this is the final product. Yeah, so I think it's spot on. The red color with the red handlebar with the rest of the frame. So it looks really nice. Yeah, it's looking really nice now.